Yeah. So we were there. I gave you the basic explanation of the chapter, and uh, as I said, extrusive and all the rocks. I told you rocks are very useful to us, and they are actually hard rocks are used, as I said, to make roads, houses, buildings. They are used. You use stones in many games. For example, stones pittu we play hopscotch or stapu or kit kit, whatever you call these things. Or then you have these five stones. You keep on playing. Find out some. There are so many games. People play with stones also. You'll be again surprised to know that there is a one type of rock changes to another type of rock in certain conditions is a cyclic manner. I said this process then is called the rock cycle. Like metamorphic rock comes out from the magma, it becomes igneous, again it breaks down and goes to sediment, then sediment each rock becomes hard and it becomes a metamorphic rock outside, again it goes inside, again it blasts out from that. There's a rock cycle which keeps on happening. Okay, these igneous rocks are broken down into small parts. They are transported and deposited either by water, by destruction, or whatever. It changes and it becomes like that. These metamorphic, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rocks. It's a rock cycle. So this is how it happens, and the definite chemical properties, as I said, minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels. Example, coal, natural gas, petroleum. They are used in industries. Iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizers, everything is used. So this is all about it and about this chapter. I'll just read a few parts which is left. Igneous rock use of in ancient times, rocks were used to make tools and weapons. Rocks are widely used in construction of road, houses and buildings. As I said, minerals like coal, petroleum provide the source of power. Chemical found in some sedimentary rocks are used to make fertilizer. Soil is formed from rocks. Okay, the change of one type of rock into another type under certain conditions is a cyclic manner, is known as the rock cycle. The rock cycle has neither a beginning nor an end. In this process, the matters of the earth's crust is not lost. The rock cycle operates in the following way: the hot and molten magma from igneous rocks on cooling. Igneous rocks are exposed to different agents of weathering and erosions on the earth's surface. The broken rock fragments, when transported and deposited in basins from sedimentary rocks, and the leftover igneous rocks and the newly formed sedimentary rocks are subject to the intense heat and pressure. They change into metamorphic rocks in due course of time. The sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are buried again and melt to form magma. This magma again cools down and forms igneous rocks. Throughout the geological period of millions of years, rocks and minerals have been changing due to the working of the rock cycle. So if that kitchen is not there beneath at the core, if that kitchen is not working, we won't have rocks, we won't get stones to build or make anything. So this is it there. A, B, C you will do, and D you will do, E you will do, F also you will do, G, H I'll do for you. Okay, so don't worry, I'll do that for you. And after that we'll do the changing of the earth. I said we'll go to the chapter, what do you say, we'll go to democracy, because there's a project work I have given you. I want to do that democracy with you, and after that we'll come back to the phases of the earth, or structure of the earth, whatever is there, and we'll do that. And then we have the atmosphere as well. Okay, and do these for homework also. It's there. I have said every time a chapter finishes, do the homework. Rest I will post it up for you with including notes which will be helpful to you. Okay, so take care and be home and be safe. I don't want to start another new chapter today. I don't want to put pressure. In the next class I'll start the democracy chapter with a vast explanation, so it will be easier for you to understand. So that will be much more better for you, and I guess that will be the best. So let's meet in the next class. Till then, be home, be safe. The unlock 2 has started. I don't know when this video has been posted. It must be a date, because these are all, I've got classes ready for you, and during your vacation period, I'll be sitting idle, so it's better I record and do things for you and keep it in advance, so that you guys don't have any problem. And hope to see you soon, all of you, and do your project work properly. Once you get your what do you say, your holiday homeworks, do it very nice, and you have a lot of time, so don't hurry. And be home, be safe, and take care of your parents, and love them as much as you can, respect them also. And you can do one thing, do whatever you want after you do your studies, and stop playing on the mobile. Play some physical games, go outside, play, go to your terrace and play, do some taekwondo kicks and punches and all. It will keep you fit. You have to exercise. Sitting on the mobile and only playing, that's not done. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye, God bless.